this example, we will create a basic e-commerce dashboard for a client using data from one Facebook account and one Shopify account. Before starting, ensure that your Facebook and Shopify accounts are connected. Open the dashboard screen. Create a new dashboard. Click the Add Widget button. Specify the data source. Select Connection. In our example, it is Facebook. Select Account, Facebook Ads by country. Select Specific Advertising Subaccount. Choose the cost metric. Click the Add button. Repeat the process for the CPC metric. Next, let's add metrics for Shopify. Specify the data source. Select Connection, Shopify. Select Account Orders. Select Specific Store Account. Repeat the process for the net sales and gross sales metrics. Your dashboard is now ready.